Hi everyone. Today I'd like to show you how to tune an ODBC connection to Microsoft SQL Server. The connection will be used by SQL Wizard to perform the conversion directly from the database. First of all, you need to make sure that the appropriate driver is installed on your computer. By default, Windows has a built-in driver for SQL Server. If there is none, you should install the appropriate driver before starting the conversion. First, download the driver version from the following link. The link can be found in the video description. Run the setup file. Click the Next button and navigate through all the pages of the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement. Enable the SQL Server Native Client SDK option and click Next. Start the installation by clicking the Install button. Once installation of the driver is complete, click Finish to exit. Next, we need to configure the ODBC connection in the ODBC Data Source Administrator. On the Start page, type ODBC Data Sources to open the ODBC Data Source Administrator. The ODBC Data Sources desktop app should appear as a choice. Go to the System DSN tab and create a new data source by clicking the Add button. Select a driver from the list and close the window by clicking Finish. In the wizard that opens, configure the name for the ODBC connection and indicate the server name. On the next page, select the authentication type and configure the credentials. Then check the Change Default Database to option and select the database name from the list. Navigate through the pages to the last one and click Finish. Verify the connection to the data source by clicking the Test Data Source button. Click OK and verify that the newly created ODBC connection is displayed in the list. We have completed the setup of the ODBC connection to the Microsoft SQL Server database and can now migrate it to a new database management system. You can find out more about database migration with SQL Wizard or get a free demo license for the iSpire tools by following the links in the description. Thanks for watching.